question number 1 solved. So third part, look from exercise 2.3. Question number 3. What is question number 3? Left hand side and right hand side is given. Here 5x plus 9 and here 5 plus 3x. Now first look at the variable terms. Here 5x and 3x both are variable number, okay, and 9 and 5 is a number. So what we have to do? Our first step is transfer the variable on left hand side and the number on right hand side, okay. So 5x, here sign is plus, so plus 3x will transfer on that side, it will become minus 3x, okay. Look at very carefully. Now 5 is already here like this. What next step? Yes, plus 9 will convert on that side, it will become minus 9 because plus minus, okay. Now what? 5x minus 3x, what you will get? 5 minus 3 you will get 2x equal to 9 minus 5, what you will get? 4. And the greater number is 9, so the sign will be greatest number. Now minus 4. Now 2x is in the form of multiplication, so it will change into division like this, minus 4 upon 2. Okay, divide 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now minus 2 is the answer. X is equal to minus 2. Okay, because we can cancel the digit. So this question answer is x is equal to minus 2. Now let us see fourth question.